All right, June of 24. 24 June 1st. 24 June 30th. All right. Slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to hide. So a pretty free day. We have this high here that we're clearly trending towards. So let's see. Okay. Get this move down. We have this untapped hourly that I could see price potentially going to. Let's go on the 1 minute. Okay, so we have this 5 minute close. We rejected pretty hard out of this 15 minute. Only thing I don't like is that overall price is very bullish, but it does make logical sense for us to rebalance. So I'll try this out. In worst case, if I lose, I'll just enter longs. Searching through my fingers all the time, I try to hide. Gonna go break even there. Okay, well, it's not the best delivery day, but we'll move on. So price is clearly bullish towards these highs. And we also have these highs. So these look like very good targets. We already have a lot of good structure going into market open. So honestly, the first, I'll take this. Put my stop there. So ideally, if my draw on liquidity is wrong, but overall, just super clear bias in my point. Like clearly trending price. There's nothing really holding back price from going higher. We had this move down, this nice flip up. So, I mean, if I'm wrong, but I like this a lot. Searching through my fingers all the time. So I get stopped out by a point. Oh. Again, 2 of the days where the delivery is not the best. It's very interesting. All right, we'll go to the next day. So we have these highs here and really all these highs. So stay honestly looks very good. Yeah, let's see if we can find like a. Why won't it work? Okay. I don't really like the 1 minute, but I don't mind the 5 minute. And I like my draws on liquidity. So higher. Let's see. So I'm gonna go break even there. I guess we had 10 a.m. news. Heavily displacing towards this draw here. So maybe if I can find some sort of entry. Hmm. 5 minute looks clean. See one more candle. Yeah, we're kind of just not delivering. I would take this, but it's just really late. But we can forward test it. Yeah. Alright, we'll go to the next day. It's living through my Okay, we're at all-time highs. We have a lot of unfilled gaps. Yeah, I like this closure. A lot. Have we taken this low? I haven't. Honestly, wouldn't be mind taking this. Rocking a little bit bigger stop. Probably get break even on this, but the reason I like this trade a lot, his price is very overextended and we need to rebalance. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. No way. Unfortunate. Okay, this looks really good. Overall bullish bias. Honestly, if we can get a nice... Okay, I'm gonna take this. I like this a lot. It's a very strong draw on liquidity. And I don't really see myself losing this unless my draw is wrong. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. How am I getting break even? Holy fuck. Makes 0 sense. I don't know. Alright, whatever. Okay, we're clearly trending towards these lows. Let me see. We pull back into this hourly. Got a nice rejection. Honestly, I really like this. I'm not even kidding. We have a pretty strong draw on liquidity. Pull back into this hourly. We got this nice candle closure, disrespecting this. I don't really see a reason for price to come higher than that. And yeah, I'm gonna take this. Targeting this low. Looks like I was wrong. Okay. Price is kind of in the range on the hourly, so I can see it's going either way. Okay. That's really all the confirmation I need. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this with a little heavier size just because it's the last trade on my account. This was the actual one. Go break even. There's no shot. Oh, I hate break even every fucking trade. Oh my gosh. Ugh, fucking hell. Honestly, this looks like really good. Didn't get filled. Who cares? Alright, move on. Okay, we're clearly fucking bullish. Jeez. Do have these lows here. Okay, well. You have yet to take these data highs. If I can get like a 1-to-1, I would take this. Also gonna go break even. If I get break even on this, I'm okay. There we go. Finally. But very simple trade idea. We have these data highs here. Well, we had this nice strong flip coming out of this 5-minute, and all I need to do is just get a fill, rock the stop where my trade would be invalidated, and yeah, good delivery. Low-key saved the account there, not gonna lie. We've got 4 or 5 break-evens. Yikes. Go to the next day. Yeah, this looks very bullish. Is that 8 AM news? Okay, so these are data highs. Okay. Again, data highs are untouched. Don't like that close. Might be a data lows day, which I think it is. Or just a fucking range day, holy shit. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, this looks free as hell. Literally the first down candle I see, I'm taking that shit. Or we're bullish. Okay. So I'm just waiting for a flip. Okay, so we pull back in this 5 and 15. Ideally, if my draw is correct, this shouldn't lose. So I like this. Go break even at this first high. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. No shot, no shot, no shot. How are we not double? Okay. Clearly in a bullish market. Have this high here. So. I like this. And I'm in it. Okay. Got filled in there. I think I'll add 1 contract there. I don't know why it's like that. Okay, I don't know how to go break even. Okay, beautiful. So, very simple trade idea. What do I see? Price pullback, clearly in a bullish market. You know, up, 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 up. And so, literally all I'm waiting for is a pullback, a retrace, and I'm just entering off the retrace because this is where my trade idea would be invalidated because there's no reason for price to come below this after it rebalanced and got this reaction. So, I'm just pulling back on that flip. Stops there. Added a contract here just because I like this trade a lot. Yeah, simple. You have to pull it. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. There you go. All right. So, okay. So we have a lot of good draws here. Looks like we've tapped here. Okay. So we have this full fill here. So we're not going to get it today, but so it looks like we want this high. That draws very low. Do have those draws there. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like longs. Just because it just looks like, it doesn't look the best to me. So. Yeah. Okay. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright, now we're good. Okay. So we do have all this liquidity here. Just trendline liquidity. That I could see price running. But if we decide to flip back higher, I can see us going there. Alright, so ideally it's just about finding an entry. This should hold. I don't want to see this 1 minute gap not hold. Okay, I don't like that at all. Do we pull back in something higher? Sorry. I do like this. What time is it? 10 a.m. So ideally, if the draw is lower, I wouldn't want to see price come any higher than this. Just because this is like the rebalance leg. Oh, we tapped into this 15 minute. Okay, yeah, I like this more. Okay, so yeah. I wouldn't want to see price come any higher than that. I'll risk 2 minis on this. Oh no, I can risk more than that. There's 3. But I tried. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. See, I want to go break even. Like we're just inside this 5 minute. So I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. There's literally nothing holding. Okay, yeah. No. Very, very simple trade. But saw this. Clearly bearish. Not gonna lie, this retrace did scare me a bit because I would like to see this 1 minute gap hold. But we end up retracing a bit higher into this 15 minute right here, getting this nice flip down. I take my entry off this 5 minute candle just because I'm okay with rocking a bigger stop, guaranteeing me a fill in this position just because I like it a lot. And price should not come above this high because this is the retrace leg, the high of it, and I would not want to see price, come here and then come all the way back up and then go down. Doesn't make any sense. And we have very clear draws on liquidity, as you can see, all this trendline liquidity that I had a previous day. I'm almost wanting to see if I can get an entry to this end walk if it's. Yeah. Looks like that was a draw for the day. Na 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 na. Wait, hold on. Looks like we didn't fill it. That makes me happy. Okay. I'm being honest. Fucking taking this shit all day. Simple 1-to-1. I'll go break even at these lows. Yeah, I like these lows. Yeah, I'll go break even here. If my draw is right, I would not want to see price come higher than this because it doesn't make any sense. So it's like a 1 to 1.25. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. Beautiful. Very, very simple trade. We had this untapped NWOG. Very strong draw on liquidity. I like how he edged it. Price in overnight pulls back into this hourly. We get this respect. We get this move down off open. I'm like, bet. Ideally, I don't want to see price come back up here if my draw on liquidity is correct. So I just enter off this 5-minute close, rock a pretty decent size stop, and just target this draw on liquidity, and went break even right at this low. Okay, so we're clearly trending lower. What if we do get higher? Okay. It's a strong reaction coming out of this hourly. This is the only thing holding price from going lower, so we'll see. Okay, well. I don't know. I definitely do like this entry. If I can get filled here, I would take this. See if I can get like a 1-to-1. Yeah. Ooh. I don't like that. Man, this ain't looking good, bruv. Yeah, that's why I don't like targeting multiple gaps, just because like it's just like, I don't know. But I'm actually might take these longs low key to this draw here if I can get filled. Just for this. Okay. All good. Okay, I like this. These lows here. This low here. We do have this untapped gap here. Let's see what happens. Honestly, would want to see price come into that. So it's only how I see. That's too late. Yeah, next day. No way. Okay. So we pull back. So if we inverse this gap, I'm fully bearish because it's the only thing holding price going higher. Okay, it looks like we're holding it. We do have these highs here. Give it a couple more candles. Okay. I like this. I would want to see a flush through this high because I'm going to go break even at it. So if we don't get that, then go break even very quickly. So this candle isn't aggressive and it'll just like weak. Break even. I don't really see anything lower. potentially these. Yeah, not the best there. So clearly trending bullish. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. This is a bit risky, but I'm very confident in this drawn liquidity, and I would not want to see price come below this low. If I'm right. Okay, hold on. Might still be able to get filled. Fuck you, dude. Jeez. So hopefully we can get a pull. Okay, well, looks like all the fucking objectives were taken. That's bullshit, dude. So annoying. Okay, so based off this candle, don't really want to. It's the only low I see that looks decent. Also have these ones here. Well, we'll see. I think it's okay. Don't see anything besides this. Motherfucker. If I can get filled, no. If we can get somewhere in there, some confirmation higher. Dude. Is that it? Oh, it's the trading month of June. You know, start off. I mean, fucking Holly got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 break evens. Yeah. Pretty solid.